Why do some people buy expensive cars, while others can barely make ends meet? Is it the fault of the economy, the state, or the people themselves? In fact, there are 5 reasons why most people remain poor. And today, you will learn how to avoid them. Lack of financial literacy. Most people simply don't understand how money works. They don't know what inflation is, compound interest, or how the market works. For example, if you had invested $1,000 in the stock market 20 years ago, today it would be over $5,000. And how many people keep their money under their pillow, living beyond your means? People are used to spending more than they earn. They buy the latest iPhone on credit, rent an expensive apartment instead of saving. Money slips through their fingers, and debts grow. Successful people do the opposite. They invest first and then spend the rest. Working for someone else all your life. If you sell your time for money, you will always be limited in income. Successful people create passive income. Business, investments, real estate. For example, even a small YouTube channel can make money while you sleep. Fear of change and comfort zone. Poor people are afraid to take risks. They stay in jobs they hate because they are afraid of change. Even though there are thousands of opportunities in the world today, from freelancing to cryptocurrency, the world is changing, and your approach to earning money must change with it. Influence of your environment. Tell me who your friends are, and I'll tell you who you'll become. If you hang out with people who complain all the time, you won't be able to break out of this circle yourself. Look at successful people. They surround themselves with people who motivate them. Conclusion. Poverty is not a sentence. It's the result of bad decisions. Start changing your financial habits, and you will see the difference in a year. If you are interested in learning more about financial freedom, subscribe to the channel. Here, we talk about it in simple language.